Hello Ji, Namaste, a warm welcome from Jigisha. Today let's make a greeting card especially for Mother's Day. Let's start right away. Here I have made a sketch on a piece of OHP sheet and then an outline with a 3D outliner. Now let's fill it with glass colors. For the heart, I have used tomato red and white colors. For blending, I have used a wooden barbecue stick. You may also use a regular paintbrush for the same, or even a mere toothpick. Now let's use a combination of submarine blue and sea blue. The reason for using barbecue stick or any pointed object for that matter is to burst the bubbles that form in glass colors. As you can see, there are bubbles formed, so quickly let's burst these before the paints dry up. You need to be fast, otherwise these colors may thicken and then the bubbles will become a part of the painting, which we don't want to. The colors have dried up completely, so we are ready to cut it and paste it. I usually prefer to use Fevi-Fix as it is a non-string transparent glue. It doesn't give those honey-like strings when applied. Now let's decorate the card with flat back crystals. My outline for the heart is not that fine, so I'm going to cover it with these fancy crystals. Mothers are so special. This is the least we can do for them. My card is ready. What about you? So hurry up and make a lovely card for your lovely mom. I enjoyed making it. Hope you enjoyed watching it. It's a bye for now. See you soon in the next video.